Hello everyone, welcome to my online class video standard 5th subject maths. Today I'm going to explain you about fraction from chapter number 4. Very first we will learn some point about fraction. Here you can see 2 point and the definition of fraction with some example. First point is about fraction are parts of a whole number. Next point, every fraction has a numerator and denominator. Example, in the fraction 2 upon 5, 2 is the numerators and the 5 is the denominator. We have also learned about the types of fraction. Like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper and mixed fraction. We are also familiar with equivalent fraction. Next, I am going to explain you from exercise 4.1 question number 1. First question, that is, take the proper fraction, cross out the improper fraction and circle the mixed fraction. Here we find out very first the proper fraction. 2 upon 5, 1 upon 3, 10 upon 11, 6 upon 13, all are proper fraction. Now we find out the improper fraction. We give a cross sign. Improper fraction 8 upon 7, 21 upon 5, 7 upon 6. Very first I am going to explain you what is proper fraction. Numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger. So it is known as proper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater and denominator is smaller, so it is known as improper fraction. And circle the mixed fraction. Exactly the mixed fraction number is not given, so here we assume the proper fraction as a mixed fraction. Here I explain you some note about the mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a fraction that includes both whole number and a proper fraction. That is why here we assume the proper fraction as a mixed fraction and we give a circle to the all proper like this. Next, proper fraction of 2 integer 5 upon 7. That means this 2 integer 5 upon 7 is a mixed fraction. So here we convert the mixed fraction as an improper fraction. That means the numerator is larger and the denominator is smaller. So here we convert the improper fraction. First we multiply 2 multiply by 7 plus 5 like this. Then 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 5 19, 19 upon 7. So here we find out the mixed fraction in the form of improper fraction. Next, question number 3, convert 11 upon 3 to a mixed fraction. That means here we convert the improper fraction into a mixed fraction. How we find the mixed fraction? Here we divide 3 with 11. Okay, so our remainder is 2. Here quotient is 3 and 3 is a divisor. Here we cycle this division and we will get our answer into a mixed fraction. Like in the place of 3 we take 2, in the place of divisor we take the quotient, in the place of remainder we take the divisor, like this. So we write 3 integer 2 upon 3 in the form of mixed fraction. Next, find an equivalent fraction of 6 upon 7 with denominator 21. Here first question is given 6 upon 7. Second fraction given the denominator value but the numerator is not given, numerator is blank. So here we find out how we multiply with 7 equal to 21. 7 3s are 21. So here we assume 3. If we multiply with denominator 3, we also multiply the numerator with 3 like this. So the second fraction numerator comes 18. 21. Here we find out the equivalent fraction. That is why we divide 18 divide with 6 and 21 divide with 7. Then our answer is 3 upon 3. So here due to this way we find the equivalent fraction of 6 upon 7 equal to 18 upon 21. Next, question number 6, fill in the box in each of the following. First number given 2 by 5 equal to upon 35. The box is empty. Here we find out the empty box. 35 comes in the table of 5. 5 sevens are 35. So here if we multiply 5 sevens are 35, so same we multiply the numerator 7 with 2 into 7. So our answer is 14 upon 35. Like this we find out the all empty box. Next question, 1 upon 8 equals to 8 upon dash. That means this box is empty. Here we find out the empty box. 1 upon 8. How, which number we are going to multiply? Then we will get 64. 8 8s are 64. If you multiply denominator 8, then we again follow the same 8 in the numerator, multiply 8. So our answer is 8 by 64. This is our answer. Next, question number 7. Form an equivalent fraction 2 by 9 with the following number. That means the following denominator, numerator is mentioned in the question. First question, denominator 18 and first number is 2 upon 9 equal to, numerator is not given, so that is why here we assume 1, and denominator is 18, so we write 18. Here we find out the equivalent fraction same as compared to question number 6. Here we multiply 9 into 2, that is 9 into 2, 18. So if we multiply 2 in the denominator, same we multiply 2 in the numerator. Then first number is 4 upon 18. Okay. Next we divide 4 divide with 2, 18 divide by 2. Our answer, that is 2 upon 9. Here we compare the first answer with another answer. The both number is equal. So here we find out the equivalent fraction of this particular number. Next, question number 8. Form an equivalent fraction of 48 upon 96 with numerator 8. Here first question given 48 upon 96 and next question only numerator value is given, denominator is empty. So here we assume 1 in the place of denominator. So here we divide with 6 because the first number, that means 48 upon 96 is given and the second number is 8 upon 1. So here we divide 48 divide with 6 and 96 divide with 6. So our answer, that is 8 upon 16. Again here we multiply 8 into 6, 16 into 6 for compare the equivalent fraction. Here we compare the equivalent fraction. That is why here we multiply the both numerator denominator with 6 and our answer is 48 upon 96. So here we compare the questions and our last answer is equal. So due to this way we find out the equivalent fraction with this particular number. Question number 9. Check whether the following pairs of fraction are equivalent or not. Here which method we are going to use? Here we check the both fraction are equivalent or not. So here we use the cross multiplication method. Here we multiply 10 with 50, 10 with 50 and 25 with 20. So here we write 10 into 50 and 50 into 20. So here we multiply both number, then we will get 500 upon 500. So both number are equal. Then write in a sentence, yes, fraction are equal. Next, question number 11. Write 2 upon 8, 1 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8, 5 upon 8 in ascending and descending order. Here we change this number in ascending order. Then after ascending, we convert this fraction into descending order. First, write the smallest number. The smallest number in this fraction is 1. Then write 1 upon 8 and give a sign of the smaller number. Okay, smaller number, this number, here we give the sign because this is ascending order. Next smallest number is 2 upon 8. Next 5 upon 8. Next 6 upon 8 and last 7 upon 8. Next find out the descending order. Here we reverse the ascending order in a descending order like this. First, largest number is 7 upon 8, next 6 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 2 upon 8 and 1 upon 8, and we give in between all fraction the greater symbol because this is a descending order. Like this we find out the all fraction and convert the all fraction number in ascending and descending order. Next, from exercise 4.2 we will learn some new method in this exercise. First question, that is fill in the missing value. Here we fill the missing value. First fraction given 5 upon 4. Next box, that means dash upon 16. So here we fill the missing value. 5 upon 4 and 16 is given the denominator to the next fraction. So here we multiply 4 into 4, that is 16. If we multiply 4 in the denominator, same we multiply 4 in the numerator, it is 20. Here I solve the question clearly. 5 into 4 and 4 into 4, that is 20 upon 16. Like this we find out the missing value very easy way. Next, question number 2, reduce the following to the lowest term. Here we reduce the greatest fraction into the very lowest term. Let's see how we solve this question. First number given 70 upon 42. First we take for the division of this fraction 70 divided by 2, 42 divided by 2. So our answer, that is 35 upon 21. This is not a lowest term. Again we divide this number and convert this number into lowest term. That we take 7 take that here we divide 35 divide with 7 and 21 divide with 7 again, and our last answer, that is 5 upon 3. So due to this way we convert the greatest fraction into the lowest term. Question number 3, what is greater? In this question we find some new method, we follow some new method in this chapter fraction. So question number 3 is given, what is greater? Here you can see the both fraction is not in the form of like fraction. So first we find out the LCM of the denominator. Denominator is different in both fractions. So here we do the LCM method. Our LCM is 35. How we find the LCM? First write 5 and 7, then divide 5 ones are 5. 5 is not in the table of 7, then write 7 as it is. Next, the turn of 7, 7 ones are 7, and our LCM is 5 into 7, that is 35. After this, we change the old fraction into the new fraction. We change the denominator of both fraction. So here we convert the fraction into 35 because our LCM is 35. So here we multiply 5 into 7. Same we multiply in the numerator 4 into 7. So our answer, that is 28 upon 35. Next, 5 upon 7 question is given. First change the denominator value, multiply 7 into 5 to convert 35. So that is why here we multiply 7 into 5. Again same we apply in the numerator 5 into 5. Our answer, that is 25 upon 35. This is our new fraction. So here we compare the first fraction to the second fraction. First fraction is given 28 and second number is given 25. So 28 is greater than 25. So here write, so 28 upon 35 is greater than 25 upon 35. Here we write 28 greater than 25 like this, and at last write in the answer, that is 4 upon 5 greater than 5 upon 7. Why we write the old question? Because in the question given what is greater, so here we write the old question of this new fraction. Okay, so 28 upon 35, the old question 28 upon 35 is 4 upon 5. So write 4 upon 5, and 25 35, the oldest question is 5 upon 7. So write 5 upon 7 like this. Here we not going to write the new question 28 upon 35, 25 upon 35. We use for the comparison only, which number is greater or not. Next, question number 4. Here we find out which is smaller. Here we find out which number is smaller. So here you can see the both number are not in the proper fraction. This number given in improper fraction. So here we find out the LCM. Our LCM is 15. So here we change the denominator of both fraction. 3 into 5, that means 15, because our LCM is 15. So that is why here we change the both denominator fraction into a 15. If we multiply 5 in the denominator, same we use in the numerator 2 into 5. So 10 upon 15 like this, our answer. Next, 3 upon 5. Here we multiply 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. So we multiply same in the numerator 3 into 3. 9 upon 15 is our answer. Now we compare the like fraction 10 upon 15 and 9 upon 15. Here we find out the smaller number. So that is why here we compare the both fraction, the both new fraction. Since 9 is smaller than 10, then write 9 upon 15 smaller than 10 upon 15. Then that is 3 upon 5 smaller than 2 upon 3. Answer, write again 3 upon 5 smaller than 2 upon 3. Here we change the new fraction into the oldest fraction and we compare which number is smaller. Next, question number 5. Arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Here we arrange all the fraction in ascending order, but the all denominator is not same. The all fraction is given in improper fraction. If we arrange in ascending order, very first we have to arrange all the fraction in proper fraction. If proper fraction is given, then we easily arrange all fraction in ascending order. But here in the question, fraction given is like improper fraction, so that is why here we change the all fraction into proper fraction. Before we changing this proper fraction, we find out the LCM of all the denominator, that is 8, 12 and 6. The LCM of 8, 12 and 6 equal to 24. 24 is the LCM of all the denominator of this fraction. So here we change all the fraction into a proper fraction. So first proper fraction 3 upon 24, 14 upon 24 and 20 upon 24. Like this we find out the new fraction by changing the denominator 24. So write 3 upon 24, 14 upon 24, 20 upon 24. Here we arrange in ascending order. First write the smaller number 3, smaller than 14, smaller than 20. Here we write again in the next column 3 upon 24, smaller than 14 upon 24, smaller than 20 upon 24, and write in last answer the oldest question of this new fraction 3 upon 24, the old number 1 upon 8, smaller than 14 upon 24, that is 7 upon 12, smaller than 20 upon 24, that is 5 upon 6. Like this we change the fraction in ascending order. We arrange in ascending order. Question number 6. Arrange the following fraction in descending order. Same here we use the method of ascending order. Here we change the following fraction descending order. First we convert all the improper fraction into proper fraction. First we change all the denominator. So here we use the Lcm method. Okay. So write 7, 21, 14. The LCM of 7, 21, 14, that is 42. Here we use the Lcm method and the Lcm is 42. So here we change all the denominator numerator value by using the Lcm method. So first answer, that is 24 upon 42. This is our first proper fraction. Next proper fraction 4 upon 42, and third proper fraction 27 upon 42. Next here we write in a line 24 upon 42, 4 upon 42, 27 upon 42. Next we arrange this fraction into a descending order. 27 greater than 24 and greater than 4. Then write again 27 upon 42 greater than 24 upon 42 and greater than 4 upon 42. Next in the last line write all the old fraction of this new fraction. The old number of this fraction, that is 9 upon 14 greater than 4 upon 7 greater than 2 upon 21. So like this we find out the fraction in a different method. I hope you all are understand my video. Thanks for watching this video.